Let's see how to install YouTube app on your MacBook Neo. Thing is very simple. You just head to the Safari app first and click the search bar and type YouTube. Search, and once you see this page, you just click the file on the top near Safari, and here you can see this option, add to dock. In case if you haven't seen this option, you need to factory reset your MacBook and then try again, or restore your MacBook and try again. So I just click add to dock and click add. That's it, it's done. Now I close this, and here you can see on the dock the browser YouTube. If you click, then it will open up the YouTube app. You just click sign in and sign into your Google account, I mean the YouTube account, and you will see all the things. So like this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook Neo, you need to watch this playlist.